Cascade Mountain views and elevated resort living set the tone at this beautifully appointed and fully furnished Sage Canyon cabin located within Brasada Ranch. Designed for both personal retreat and short-term rental performance, this 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath home delivers privacy, comfort, and flexibility. Each of the bedrooms is lockable and has its own sense of privacy, and they're all paired with spa-inspired bathrooms featuring granite countertops and walk-in showers. The main living space is open and inviting and allows you to enjoy the great light and westward views, offering a connection between a well-appointed kitchen and a generously sized dining and living space. All great spots for hosting or unwinding after a day of the outdoors. Step outside to the expansive deck where a built-in barbecue, ample seating, and a private hot tub create the perfect gathering space. From here, take in the sweeping mountain sunsets by day and star-filled night skies after dark. The access to the amenities could not be easier, as this is about as close as you can get to Brasada Ranch's renowned golf course, equestrian center, pools, athletic facilities, dining, and miles of scenic trails. This is Central Oregon living thoughtfully designed, truly turnkey, and ready to be enjoyed from day one.